Enjoy perfect wash results and thorough drying with this washer dryer from Hotpoint. The Sensor Dry feature monitors the moisture and temperature levels inside any load and stops the machine once your laundry is dry, so you can begin a cycle while you get on with other things without the worry of shrinkage. The Anti-Allergy system combines high temperatures and extra rinses to remove 99.9% of major allergens. Ideal for allergy sufferers, you can enjoy thoroughly clean shirts that won't upset your sinuses. The wash and dry cycle will deliver a pristine wash and dry for lightly soiled garments in just 45 minutes. Great for when you're in a hurry, your laundry will come out fresh in no time. Update your laundry setup with this reliable washer dryer from Hotpoint.